Hello everyone. Sometimes it happens that you do a lot of work while painting. Sometimes we don't know how to recover that or how to fix a part of a painting, and this happens with everyone. If you face such situation, then this video is for you, and we will see how we can recover a sky from its overwork. I was painting from my mind, so I was free to do whatever I wanted. This was a practice session and I was doing it very freely. I used 180 GSM Canson paper. So because it was low GSM, the paper was holding the water, not absorbing it. You need to learn that thicker the paper, more absorbing will happen. And while painting a watercolor, we always stain the paper, not apply the color on paper. Means you cannot remove it once it is done. If the paper is thicker, you get this effect very early. Paper gets dry early. If paper is thinner, your paper holds the water more, and you can play in it however you want. So you need to be keen while choosing the paper before you start the painting. If you are doing practice, then you should experiment in that also. Now here I am trying various consistencies of color. Sometimes I used very watery color and sometimes I have used very thick color to get color intensity as per my requirement. And you need to modify your water quantity according to your paper's GSM. That is also important. So now in this video what happened is paper was keeping its wetness and holding the water. So I went on working in the sky and it really got overworked. It was looking ugly. So the sky was ugly and I was working on it. I thought this should be fixed. So I washed it off all the way and gave a plain gradient wash to the sky. Unfortunately, the footage is missed. I don't know why and where it went, but the video footage is not there. I'm sorry about that. But I just washed it off with my wash brush and then wait it for semi-dry stage. When it was semi-dry, I applied some water in shapes of clouds and then picked up that color with tissue paper, and so it created a beautiful forms of cloud. I decided to share this video to help out those who want to fix their paintings but they do not know how to fix it. So if you like this video or this trick and want to know more such tricks or tutorials on basics of watercolor, please let me know. I will do more such videos on this channel. We are now 300 subscribers family. I thank each one of them from my heart for subscribing and sharing my videos. Thank you.